This salmon's delicious, full of protein, super fresh. But where does it come from?
It comes from here, the ocean. 60% of the world's salmon comes from bays and lakes near you. Aquaculture is supposed to be a key part to feeding the world. The world's population is expected to surpass 8 billion by 2050.
Salmon fish farming is an efficient food source to feed our growing global population. Farming has made salmon a more affordable protein. Worldwide salmon populations are in decline. In Norway alone, the wild population has been halved in recent years. Farm salmon can take the pressure off of wild populations, strengthening marine ecosystems. Aquaculture is also a more efficient means of food production. It takes 50 kilos of wild fish to grow only 5 kilos of wild fish. It takes 7 kilos of wild fish to grow 5 kilos of farm fish. Salmon farming also provides communities with jobs and economic development. The world's largest producer of salmon, Norway, operates a $1.1 billion industry. Wild salmon are carnivores, feeding on other small fish. When raised in fish farms, salmon consume food made out of 75% plant materials and 25% fish, generating more waste. In Tasmania, the increased volume of waste has led to pollution and decreasing oxygen levels, creating hypoxic death zones at the seafloor. This has had an impact on all the other species, including the endangered Tasmanian Maugean skate. Scientists are unsure if the skate will be able to survive at the low oxygen levels. Salmon farming also has negative impacts on the wild salmon population. Since the farms are located at sea, an escape could have devastating effects on the surrounding ecosystem. Farm salmon carry parasites and diseases like sea lice that could spread to the wild salmon and, in worst case, destroy the wild population. In Tasmania, they've had problems with predators. Fur seals break into the cages to feed on the fish. This has resulted in transporting the seals from southern to northern Tasmania, but they just swam right back. Now they're trying to develop new sea cages that seals cannot break into.
For further expansion in the future, there is ongoing research to solve industry issues. A Norwegian company is creating robots which can detect parasites on salmon and hit them with a deadly laser beam without injuring the salmon.
Many environmentalists are pushing to move farms further away from the coast, where deeper water and faster currents helps to disperse the organic waste. Escaped salmon are also less likely to interact with wild populations when it's further out in the ocean.
However, some of the obstacles they're facing are regulation from the government and also developing technology that can hold the nets on the deep ocean floor.